Tonight, the National Weather Service is warning of another round of severe weather less than 48 hours after a deadly storm left a path of destruction in Mississippi all weekend. Rescue teams have searched for survivors as communities try and pick up the pieces. Eyewitness News reporter Morgan Norwood is there, and she talked to neighbors in one of the hardest hit areas, Rolling Fork, Mississippi.
Sandra, good evening. Rolling Fork ripped to shreds, and while that death toll stands at least 25, there are incredible stories of survival. In fact, I'm standing in what used to be a restaurant. The owner tells us that 9 people jumped inside this cooler right behind me and survived the storm. Tonight, the devastating toll becoming painfully clear after a massive tornado ripped through Silver City and Rolling Fork, Mississippi. The city leveled, unrecognizable, and the families of those 25 killed in the storm's wake in anguish.
It's really hard. It's just, nothing to come back to.
Jessica Cole Davis's mom was driving. This is her car when that tornado blew through. She pulled over, ran inside this Dollar General, or what used to be the Dollar General. Sadly, she never made it out.
Normally when the tornado comes through, it never touches down here in Rolling Fork. So for it to actually touch down and just rip our town apart, it's just unbelievable.
That violent and deadly tornado receiving a preliminary EF-4 rating by the National Weather Service with wind speeds of up to 170 miles per hour. It spanned 3/4 of a mile and was one of at least 20 reported tornadoes and an outbreak stretching from Texas to Alabama. In Rolling Fork, search teams looking for anyone still trapped under mountains of rubble, while survivors relived the harrowing moments as that twister passed overhead.
I hear it sound just like a train. We all went to the bathroom, got down on the floor in the bathroom. All I could do was just pray. We all hugged each other. And all we did was just pray, pray, pray.
As resources pour into the disaster zone, Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves promising more relief is on the way.
The resources that the people here in Rolling Fork and throughout Mississippi need, the help is on the way. And I think that's critically important.
And President Biden has declared a disaster in Mississippi, unlocking federal funds for the recovery. Meanwhile, the entire state on alert once again for more storms moving through tonight.